Scary and creepy to the core, the most haunted places on the earth with their unreasonable but real stories. Yes, today we are going to talk about 5 most dangerous places on the earth. Number 1 is the Death Road, an extremely dangerous road. North Singer's Road is also known as a death road for all the right reasons that you can guess. Having up or down this 43-mile switchback is extremely dangerous because of fog, landslides, waterfalls and cliffs falling 20,000 feet in each turn. Until 1994, almost 300 drivers were killed every year. The road extends far enough to connect the Amazon rainforest to the capital city surrounded by mountainous terrain. Next one is a Snake Island, an island about 25 miles off Brazil's coast where no local would ever dare to walk. This mysterious island is recognized as Ilha da Comida Grande, the Snake Island. The island threat comes in the form of golden lance-head snakes, a pit viper species, and one of the most deadliest serpents. This is certainly the most dangerous place on the world. This is the home of 430,000 deadly snakes that can even melt the human meat. The third one is the Death Valley. Death Valley is a desert valley in the southeast California. It is not only the driest but also recognized as one of the hottest places in the world. The hottest place on the earth has its hottest month recorded in July 2018. The average temperature was 108.1 degree Fahrenheit. For 4 days in a row, the daily high hits the temperature of 129 degree Fahrenheit and it is the highest recorded temperature. Death Valley is also known as it produces a massive amount of lightning and severe flooding. Fourth one is the Gates of Hell. The Turkmenistan Darwaza gas crater is also known as the Gates of Hell. It is a natural gas field within an underground cave. Geologists set it on fire to prevent methane gas from spreading and it has been burning since 1971. It is located in the middle of the Karakoram Desert. The gas reserve that has been discovered here is one of the world's most extensive natural gas. The hottest spot spreads across an area 60 meters long and roughly 20 meters deep. It is among the top dangerous places in the world. Last one is the DANAKIL Desert, a volcanically active area. One of the most uninhabited environment in the world is the DANAKIL Desert in East Africa with the temperature that regularly exceeds 122 degree Fahrenheit. This desert is not an easily accessible location for the travelers. Your physical health can take a massive hit if you stay there for a short period of time. This is among the most various places across the world. The most adverse effect occurs due to the presence of high concentration of poisoning vapors of sulfur in this region. I hope that you like this video. For more informative videos, please like, comment and subscribe channel 2.0.